I want to thank the 5 subscribers, I think that, yeah, it was 5 or 6, that wrote in, wanted more information on reloading and the books. They couldn't find the original upload that I did years ago on some books. So I went ahead and made some new ones, put some stuff together. And these are on reloading and gunsmithing publications. Okay, so here we go on that. Thanks a lot for going ahead and writing in and asking me this. This is by request of those 5 people, and it will benefit many, many more people if you're getting into hand loading, gunsmithing, things like that. It's necessary because you know you may need these skills. Keep that in mind. Thanks a lot for watching, and here we go.
Books and more books. I'll tell you what, foundation of knowledge. Books, experience, listening to older people talk sometimes because they have knowledge. Listen to the sage type people. Anyway, books. I'm going to show you some pictures of books shortly, and some of them are a little dated, but they're still factual. All the information's there. We're talking gunsmithing books. We are talking reloading books. You can find them. You can do a search on Google, any of the search engines, use bookstores, and obviously if there's new updated versions, go out and buy them. Let's take a look at some very important books for gunsmithing and reloading. Thanks for watching.
Now we come to the hardback book and softback books and paperbacks for gunsmithing and reloading. Everything you need to know. A full education in just about everything to do with rifles, handguns, shotguns, reloading. Let's see what we got. Take a good look. Gun Digest book of shotgun gunsmithing. Checkering and carving of gun stocks. Pistol smithing. The Gun Digest book of pistol smithing. The Gun Digest book of rifle smithing. The Art and Science of Rifle Gunsmithing. Gun Care and Repair. Learn Gunsmithing, the Troubleshooting Method by the editors of American Gunsmith. Completely new, 3rd edition, Home Gunsmithing Digest. An Outdoor Life book, Practical Gunsmithing. Gunsmithing with Simple Hand Tools. Gunsmithing Made Easy. The Complete Hobby Gunsmith Reference Book. Alright, here's our reloading manuals. All the knowledge you need right here. Hornady, volumes 1 and 2. Nosler, number 4, number 5, number 6 edition of Nosler. Barnes Reloading Manuals. Modern Reloading by Richard Lee. And then here, Modern Reloading 1 and 2. One's an older copy, two's an updated version. The recipes always remain the same. Let's see what we got here. Reloading. These are manuals, magazines that were picked up from September 24th, 2002. Still good, still relevant. Powder's still available. Reloading. 2004 annual manual. A lot of this information is not available anymore. Reloading. Look at all this. Complete book. Magazine. Reloads. Articles. On and on. Collector's items now. See what we have here. Complete book of cartridges. All about ammo for today's rifles. Everything you need to know. 22 rim file. Big bore rifles. Big game rifles and cartridges. Now we have some specialty books. Let's get into these. Complete Reloading Manual for the .338 Winchester Magnum. This has taken the recipes from all of the reloading manuals of this specific caliber. Same thing here, the Complete Reloading Manual for the .270 Winchester. Complete Reloading Manual for the .243 Winchester. Complete Reloading Manual for the .22-250 Remington. The Complete Reloading Manual for the .44 Remington Magnum. Now here's some books that are a little bit difficult to get. Now this is just volume 1. Handbook for Shooters and Reloaders by P.O. Akeley. Rifles and Cartridges for Large Game by Lynn Simpson. It's got everything you need to know. Now these books here are usually produced by the powder manufacturers. They have their own recipes in there. I've got them. Here I have collected throughout the years all kinds of articles on reloading, tips, techniques, how-to, what-ifs, everything. Really combined, you're looking at 100 years or more of information. Of course, it doesn't go back 100 years, but the combined knowledge of all these people and what they tell the public, wow. Information you just can't find anymore, because a lot of these magazines, they won't publish such good, well-detailed information. Look at this. From the 270, 30-06, 243, 223, 44 mag, just everything. The world's changing, but I kept a history right here. 7mm shooting times Westerner. 350 Remington, 338 Winchester, on and on and on. You have all of the information and knowledge that you will need. Look, Gun Trader's Guide. Of course, they have updated books now. Here, the NRA Guide to Firearms Assembly. Revised edition, bolt action rifles. Take down everything. Sporting rifle, take down and reassembly guide. You talk about some handy books. You ever take apart a rifle? You don't know how to put it back together? This covers it all. Timeless information that will always be good and available for the firearms that you have now or may acquire in the future. Of course, there have been some changes. But here it is, the mother lode of information. Gun loads and hunting tips. Game loads and practical ballistics for the American hunter. The complete book of practical hand loading. Basic hand loading. The Lyman Reloading Handbook, 49th edition. Lyman Reloading Handbook, 46th edition. Firearm bluing and browning. Gunsmith Kinks 2. Outdoor Life Gun Data Book. More information up here. Specific Heavy Express Magnum. Loading Guide 260. HE Mag 460. HE Mag. These proprietary cartridges. Other articles, collector's books, quality, gun test magazines, an American Gunsmith magazine,